Hello leather enthusiasts. Today I want to talk to you about what your leather crafts tell me about you. Because leather is a perfect way of self-expression, it always tells something about you to the other side. That's why a lot of brands abuse this function of leather. A lot of us use leather to express ourselves and reflect our personality to outside. So let's start by giving the first example. If you are walking around with a bag like this, I know you're accomplished. Or at least you can afford to pay $2,000 or more to a bag like this from a brand like this. But I also know that you need that validation. You need others to know that you can afford this. You are accomplished. Or at least you want to look like that. So there is a little bit of confirmation necessary from the outside world. Nothing wrong with that, but this is what I understand when I see people walking around with these huge brand names. I know that cost a lot, but as a tanner, as a leather expert, I know they're not good. So this is what I understand when I see this person. There's the second fellow. They go around with leather crafts that they speak for themselves. As soon as I look at it, I know it's a goddamn good leather. And it's a no brand name. Sometimes there's not even a logo. But who cares? The guy tells me that he really likes to use good stuff. He's leather savvy. He likes to enjoy high quality materials, but he doesn't like to pay that marketing fluff premium that big brands want to charge. And he's confident. He's comfortable with what he likes, what he's accomplished, and he's showing it that way. He cares about looking good by using good stuff. Probably the bag he's carrying is not cheap, but also not ridiculously expensive. So, smart shopper. I really appreciate that. I'm one of them. I like to look good and I like to carry around good stuff when it comes to leather. But I really don't like to pay astronomical prices, at least outside of fair prices for those goods. That's the second fellow. And there's this third stereotypical person in my mind when it comes to the leather expression. It's very mediocre, Main Street brands. Nothing special, it's leather, not overpriced, completely functional, humble, and modest. Nothing wrong with that. Again, we have a confident person, completely comfortable in their own shoes. They have nothing to prove to the outside world through the brands, through spending thousands of dollars and showing that, hey, I can spend this money. When I see these, Fossil, it's one of the greatest brands in the leather market, they make stuff and they charge fair prices. They don't overly mark up their products. It's not the best leather experience you're gonna get, but you know it, and you know it from the price too. What they charge you is fair. There's a lot of brands like that. There's a lot of small brands like that too. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with being functional, modest, and humble. It is completely normal, but this is what I understand when I see a person going around with brands like this or products like this. So this is my understanding of three very distinct individuals carrying leather accessories around to express themselves. And that's what I understand when I looked at them. Let me know what you think in your comments. Which one of you are fitting into these descriptions? And do you have any aspirations to go any other direction? Would you do something else if you could afford it? Would you do something else if you know where to get those things? Let me know, and I will be more than happy to create more content helping you find the best choice for your situation and your personality. At the end of the day, leather is a great tool to express who we are to the outside world. And let's show them who we are with the best fit, best leather products together. Let's experience leather better together. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you get a notification every time I post new content. Thank you.